Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the ToborFX expert advisor for MT4, and this is a mean reversion robot that claims returns with controlled risk on EURUSD and Gold. Developer shows verified MyFXBook signals, so we'll break everything down in this video. We'll break down what the system actually does and what the live numbers really show. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, according to the official website which we are on, this is the ToborFX official website, and they claim that it is built on the mean reverting nature of the forex market. It scans for high probability setups where price has stretched away from its average and then closes the trade at an average profit. The developer says the logic is advanced, it's tested on years of data, according to him, and they claim they have genuine, verified past performance, and also it claims that it works well on high impact news. It's fully automated. It claims low risk with maximum drawdowns in the 25 to 30% ranges. Now, this is exactly how it works. Like I said, it works based on mean reversion, and mean reversion basically means going back to the mean where price has moved. Let's say price gives us a straight uptrend. It's expected that price comes back to the mean of that trend, of that push, and that's exactly how it works. And it goes for 149 US dollars for the 1 year license. The lifetime license is $189, and they also show some of their live trades or which were taken on MetaTrader 4. These are some of the pictures, and it's also marketed as suitable for both small and larger accounts. They push the MyFXBook verification heavily and show separate live accounts for EURUSD. Here it is. We can actually check out their MyFXBook through this link to verify, and this is the MyFX book. They really do not have any demo. They do not have any demo, so we can't really run independent backtesting, and also we can't trust them based on what they say, which is why they have provided this MyFXBook for independent verification. So we'll have to just rely on the MyFXBook records. We have some demo. We have just two demo accounts which have been tested, and we also have the real account which was tested on gold. Now we're looking at each of them. Let's look at the EURUSD first, and you can see the EURUSD account shows us almost still roughly 334% gain with about 20% drawdown. That's 20%, 20.62% drawdown, and a solid win rate of 70 to 74%. This is actually impressive. And remember, this is the demo account, not the live account. And this is the equity curve, which is quite impressive. They have some downtimes, we have some trades that didn't exactly go according to plan. This is how it looks overall. It's quite impressive considering the gain, which is 334%. But this is demo, so let's look at the live account. The live account is on gold. I'm looking at the gold live account. We have, you know how volatile gold can be. So we have 262% gain with lower drawdowns around 12%. But this is a lower drawdown, 11.79%. So we say roughly 12%. Yeah, but much higher trade frequency and shorter average hold times of only a couple minutes. Initial deposits of 3,000 Canadian US dollars, and the profit gained was 6,000. So basically, it's a very nice gain compared to, considering the fact that gold is volatile and gold can have its excesses and its moments. You can see some of it here, have some losing days where the expert advisor lost over 4,000 pips in a single day. So you should be prepared for such days, and you should bear in mind that it can happen when trading with this expert advisor. But overall, with the gain, it's something you should be hopeful that it may turn out. It may. And this is the general. These are the information from the MyFXBook verification. The equity curve looks reasonably controlled, which matches the mean reversion claims. And however, the short trade duration on gold makes the system sensitive to spreads and execution quality. Results are based on historical live performance and can differ depending on market conditions and the lot size or risk settings you use. Honestly, the thing is, pure mean reversion systems perform well when market oscillates, but they can struggle during strong trends. In practice, this means you need a good ECN broker and realistic expectations about periods of drawdowns. Yeah, that is it about the ToborFX. They have a well-rounded page, and they also have a YouTube video which you can check out more of how the expert advisor works. They also have some reviews which they show here from people who have used the ToborFX. Yeah, this is it. You can get the lifetime license for just 189 US dollars, so it's not that much for the results which they show. Now, my verdict for the ToborFX is that it's a straightforward mean reversion expert advisor with decent live track records on the public signals. It can suit patient traders who accept 15 to 25% drawdowns and traders who can run it on quality brokers. Avoid it if you need very low drawdown, yeah? And if you hate waiting through quiet or losing periods, or if you trade with high spread accounts, you should also probably avoid this expert advisor. Now, like this video if this real test help you out, subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Now, until the next video, trade safe.